Hi, my name is Kristof, and in this video I will tell you how to make the perfect YouTube video. First, make an interesting and catchy title and a very good eye-catching thumbnail. Like this. Then create some useful / educational / brain cell destroying but still entertaining content. During that, don't forget to promote the living shell of yourself, and at the end of the video, beg people for about a minute or two to subscribe to your insignificant little channel. Then convince them to spend their money on OnlyFans where they can see the real juicy stuff. to join your Patreon where they can get the pure quality content with early access. And just make sure you put the blame on them if they refuse, and call them cheap heartless pricks who aren't really true friends and that they only want to exploit you to get free content. After you're done with that, and you have literally nothing to add to the video, just let it play for about 10 more minutes just to get that sweet ad revenue. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell as well, and if you're a true fan, please consider joining my Patreon for only $5 when you can get many Patreon exclusive rewards such as your name appearing at the end of the videos, and you get to choose the topic of my next video, and of course, early access. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Oh, also, if you have some ideas for similar videos like this, please let me know in the comments down below and I may consider doing it. Okay, bye!